Hey, what's up everyone? It's David here. I've got SkyQ here and I'm going to show you how to fix, well, this. There is no internet content on the screen whatsoever. Where it is, I don't know, but it's not on the screen. But anyway, I can show you how to fix this. For some reason, the SkyQ's Wi-Fi card switches off randomly for no reason at all. Don't know why. It's been a problem with the SkyQ for years. Sky's never fixed it with the software updates. No idea why. So, anyway, it's never happened on the Sky Plus HD box that I can remember. And I don't think I've ever had it on the Sky Stream box either. It's just unique to the SkyQ. So anyway, just go down to settings. Hover over to see if it's actually connected. It's just a reflex there. The tick, it wasn't connected, but it just takes a little bit of time to update. Okay, so what we're going to do now is come out of this, scroll over back to settings, and then type in 001 select on the remote, and this will prompt up the Secret Sky installer menu. Go down to network, and you'll see that these are switched off. Like I said, the Wi-Fi card just gets switched off. So you want to turn them both on. And then press confirm. Wait for this to save. Okay, they're now switched on. Go back to settings. Go back to network. I'm not going to lie, this is going to take at least 5 minutes for this to actually kick back into life. And there will be a couple of false starts, so don't get discouraged by that. It will disconnect quite a few times before it finally works. So what you really want to do is maybe make yourself a cup of coffee, a cup of tea, do the dusting, do the housework that you didn't do, use your time wisely right now, because like I said, it's going to take 5, maybe 10 minutes. And staring at the screen is not going to make it go any faster. It's obviously a glitch in the software. I've simulated this fault today, so I literally disconnected my SkyQ from the Ethernet port, so this would happen. Settings, advanced, so the IP, automatic, that's nothing wrong there. See, the content's still not showing. Like I said, this will take at least 5 minutes, maybe more. Okay, connected, but it will disconnect as like I told you. There you go, see, and then reconnected. Might do that a few times again, see. But now, if I go out of this, go to home, aha, see? It works. I have fixed the fault. Okay, so if you found this video useful, if you could hit that thumbs up button, I'd appreciate that. And don't forget to subscribe and like always. See you out there.